Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. This is really simple, so if you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so as you can see, we've now jumped straight onto the phone screen. Now I'm going to be doing this on an Android, but this same steps works on an iPhone as well. So regardless of what phone you've got, it will work on both. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is open up TikTok, and as you can see, I'm now showing on my account. Okay, so once we're now on the account, if you go to the top right hand corner where that people call the hamburger sign, because this is where we want to get into the settings, so then click on settings and privacy. So at this point we want to be able to go into the account section, and then next you're going to want to switch to a business account. So as we were originally on a personal account, we are quite limited with what we can do on a TikTok account, so you have to switch to a pro or a business account. So keep watching, as there's a few more important steps that you need to go through in order to add clickable links to your TikTok bio. Okay, so now as it's creating the business account, it's going to take you through a few pages that you just need to click through, and it lets you know the benefits of having a business account. So if you just click next, then you'll get to choose a category. So choose something that's relevant to your business that you're setting up, or relevant to what you're going to be doing on TikTok. And in our case, I'm going to select media and entertainment for the purposes of this video, and then click next. At this point, it will ask you for your email, but you can skip those particular sections. And then the important bit, add your bio. So here is where you can add your external link, your clickable link that will actually be put into your bio. So here I'm going to use the example of google.com, and then just click next. It will give you the option to create a video straight away as soon as you create your page, but we can obviously skip this as well. So you can just select maybe later on at this point. Okay, so then if we go back to the main section of your TikTok account and we just pull down to refresh that, you'll then see that the hyperlink appears as www.google.com. If you go into edit profile as well, and then under the bio section, add your link again into this particular part. And then if we go back to your main profile account page, it will then show the link to be able to access your external link from your bio. And there we have it. That is how to add a link to your TikTok bio. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be amazing and would really appreciate it. And I will catch you guys on the next one.